It is Brian here from quantlabs.net. Yet another turning out to be a decent set of podcast episodes, as well as they get turned into videos and other content repurposing. Anyways, uh, just wanted to give you an update on my Telegram private messaging group. We're up to about 40 people, and I will be pruning them down to about 5 people. What I've learned over the years is when it comes to audiences, there's usually 90, I'd even say 99% of the audience is very quiet and they're lurking on the conversation. I'm not sure if that means they are taking ideas and just using it for their own use. At this point, it does not bother me, but it does hold back my groups because the stars of the group feel they are holding back some really good, juicy information. As a result, I will be pruning those 40 people down to a tiny number of 5 people. That basically means that it's 5 highly engaging people sharing ideas and learning some very, very high-end trading ideas I've never thought of. So, for instance, there was a pretty good conversation last night regarding my testing of my volatility currency pairs. Basically, the realization came to about 6 hours of really not finding anything effective. Last week, I did some more testing, which did not result in a lot, but it did help produce some other interesting ideas that can be implemented to reduce downward risk. Again, this is all theoretical in the realm of portfolio management. So last night's conversation revealed a few interesting ideas. The current state was to use highly volatile currency pairs and find indicators that you could use to create entry points into the markets. The problem is that more stable currency pairs like euro, US dollar virtually don't give you the opportunity that you may look for. As a result, they're stable and they barely move. I posted that on my blog last night. As a result, these exotic pairs that I'm after, which are usually the most volatile, for instance, the South African rand against the Japanese yen, may move quite a bit, but the two items to note are they're highly illiquid and the spread is usually fairly high to even make it not worth trading. So as a result, one of the persons in this group suggested to only use currency pairs that either have the US dollar, Japanese yen, or euro in the pair to test the liquidity. But then there was another conversation about the Swiss franc and the Chinese yuan as well. But it turns out that the country's central banking policy can easily destroy the country's opportunity as a currency pair to trade. Another part that was mentioned was how it is difficult to trade off of the calls of central banks. I mean, these are sort of things that we may be able to use, but as you can tell, some of these are highly experienced traders in this group. As a result, I'm very blessed to have these people in the group and who are willing to share their experiences and trading ideas. As a result, I will not be revealing any of this stuff, but I just wanted to give you a sample of some of the conversations that come out. And all I can tell you is it's going to get even better with some of the machine learning frameworks used, some of the techniques, so on and so forth. And this is obviously real trading edge for highly successful, high high achievers who are real traders, not just theoretical or just um, people that lurk trading groups and forums. So as I said, I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm really looking forward to implementing some of these ideas. But it's unfortunate I will not be sharing this as such, because some of this is very, very valuable and will give me a definite trading edge over other people. So as a result, where does this leave you? Well, as I'm starting to roll out and heavily test my trading ideas in the Dukas Copy forex broker trading platform called JForex, I think it's quite advantageous to take these extra ideas and unique ideas and implement them in these trading ideas. And it will hopefully, as I said, reduce the drawdowns and enhance any trading potential that I have. All of this, of course, will be fully automated, and as time marches on, less and less will be revealed, but more unique trading ideas will definitely be implemented. So, as I said, if you want to learn what I currently have, obviously I have the um, revamping of my Quant Elite membership as well, which includes a 1 year analytics membership. You can find that on my website at quantlabs.net, and just go to the top and look for product section, and then you'll see an analytic full member option on the second row. It has a diamond icon on it. All right, so hopefully I'll help you out. And thanks again for listening. Just as a mention, everybody that's new and subscribing to my podcast, I really appreciate it. Hopefully I give you more value for it. And I'll be pumping out more content over the next couple days and weeks. Have a good day.